Hi, Aiden. Are you ready to talk about Play-Doh?
Yeah.
All right, let's go.
This is my character. This is a guy with both hands. As you can all see, here's the robot, and here's the transformer as his vehicle. And here's the other guy with vehicle, and another guy with a vehicle, and two symbols. And this, all of those are the transfers. As you can all see, you can make each of the vehicle or the character. And over here you see I made 3 characters.
What are their names? Do you know their names?
Optimus, but I don't know. Maybe that's Bumblebee and Crusher. Whoever that is, I just know Bumblebee and Optimus.
Very good. Can you show us how to make one?
Yeah, you take your dough, then you take a roller, then you roll out the dough, and every time you stick it on, you just take your character, take your vehicle, and you smash it off to your dough. And then here you go. Here's your vehicle.
Very cool.
And then all you need to do for the character is do the same thing you did that I showed you last. Do the dough, then you take the guy. I hope you make every detail. Didn't make
That's okay. We'll make a bigger piece. Say see you next time.
Bye.